How to use Razer Chroma Studio to create custom lighting effects. Hi everybody, in this video I'll walk you through the step-by-step procedure to create custom lightning effect with Razer Chroma Studio. Now here's what you'll need. First thing, you want to launch the Razer 3 software on your computer and select the Studio tab from the top menu bar. As you do it so, click on Desired Effect under Add Effect to add it to effect layers. As you do it so, then you want to customize the effects, that is properties. You could go and adjust the effects properties, duration, speed, width, angle, center point, etc. in the right hand side column. Then you could also use the color picker to customize the lightning color. You could also select specific LEDs or group of LEDs on your device to apply for it. Likewise, you could drag and drop layers to reorder them. The topmost layer will be the most visible. After which, you simply want to click on the three dot and go ahead and click on save and save the changes. This is how you could use Razer Chroma Studio to create custom lightning effect. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.